If you want to build a big business, you have to make sacrifices. You have to be willing to put in the work. You have to be willing to sacrifice the money now so you can enjoy it later. So the message I'm trying to tell you, if you want to make more money, you want your business to grow, you want to have something that's worth calling a business, you need to make the sacrifice by putting your money back into the business. Don't spend it. Spend it on people, spend it on processes, spend it on operations managers, sales managers. I mean, what could happen in your business if you spent, I don't know, $30,000 a year on a salesperson that can help you bring in new business constantly, 8 hours a day, every single day? Or what would happen if you could buy an operations manager for $30,000 a year that can keep everything in order, so you never have to touch a proposal document again, you never have to fill out another bid. All you need to do is estimate it. You just need to help them with the cost, with the price, and they'll fill it out. They'll do the printouts. I got bids right now that are pending because I don't have an operations manager, you know? I'm doing a lot of this stuff on my own, but at the same time, I've invested in crews, I've invested in people, but it's time to step up my game. It's time to invest in operations manager. It's time to invest in salespeople. It's time to invest. That's how I'm going to take my business to the next level. And so just remember, what got you here in your business, it's not going to get you to that next level. You got to do new things. You got to try new things. You got to make new sacrifices. You got to do a bunch of new shit that you didn't even think you were going to have to do. And that's why I think business is probably one of the ultimate sports. One of the ultimate sports. You see people that are in the NBA, NFL, you know, all these things. And, you know, yeah, they're really, really hard workers. And they work their asses off and they spend a lot of time, you know, dedicating to their craft. But how long do they really play for, you know? 18 years old to 35, 15 years? Entrepreneurship and business is forever. 50 years, man. It's a 50-year play. Just be ready for that. Remember, what's going to get you in that first decade won't get you in the next decade, and then it won't get you in the next decade. It's a constant evolving, and a practitioner of business, constantly learning, constantly investing, constantly sacrificing, constantly hiring, constantly putting processes in place. Anyways, I hope this message finds you well. I hope it helps you understand that you need to invest in your people, your processes, and keep pushing, man, keep shoving. We're out here on a Saturday, and we're finishing up this bad boy. Talk to you guys soon. Take it easy.